everyone. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and safe. Well, today I got chutti, my off from work as it's raining heavily and many of our employees could not even manage to reach the office. So it's closed as I have reached home so early. Actually, I reached home at about 3 o'clock and my office starts from 12:30. So I think I should utilize this time very properly. So at first, how am I gonna utilize it? I want to cook something very delicious so that I can have it, and I will also make my mom eat it after she arrives from her work. So let's get started. So here I have paneer along with me, so I would love to cook something with the paneer. Hi kitty cat, are you hungry too? Okay, I'll make you eat something. Now I will put all these tomato, onion and chili and make it a paste, and then we'll proceed with the cooking. Yeah, that's the onion, tomato, chili paste, and this one is the homemade ginger garlic paste. Now let's cook. That's the ginger garlic and onion paste, and now I'm frying it. After stirring it well, we'll add little bit of water so that the masala boils really well. I have added tomatoes, so there is no need to add tomato ketchup if you do not want, but I am adding it for some extra taste. By the way, I have also added little bit of butter for the flavor, and now adding this pre-fried paneer. The star ingredients is still there, which I will put in the last. Now adding this star ingredient, which is cream. My paneer recipe is ready, and this is how finally this paneer recipe looks. So finally my cooking is finished. Okay, by the way, if you're wondering why I'm still wearing my office dress, then I need to tell you something, that I had to go out to the shop in order to buy some groceries. So I thought that let me not change, let me cook, eat it, then I'll slowly and very beautifully I'll take a shower and then I'll sleep. I will rest. Come on, let's eat. So here I have onion, tomato, cucumber, curd, salad, and a green chili. I'm so hungry. Come on, let me take my first bite. Ah, it smells so authentic. I can't even tell you. It's so tasty because it's super tasty. So now I'm not gonna waste any time recording more because my battery is also going to die soon. So bye bye and thank you for watching. Sending love till I again see you next time. Bye bye.